Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp or why is it happening. Well, Meta AI is not working on WhatsApp because it's currently only available in limited countries. Meta AI is testing the feature to a limited numbers of users to gather data and feedback. They've done this multiple times before with features like channels, locked chats, and screen sharing. If you don't have the feature yet, you need to wait until it's rolled out to you. Unfortunately, WhatsApp did not provide a specific global launch data for Meta AI yet. Now, another thing you can do to fix this is to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Then you can check if Meta AI is available on your app. Then the last resort could be contacting WhatsApp support. Simply go to whatsapp.com contact, then enter your phone number and email address, select the device that you use WhatsApp on, then enter your query into the please enter your message below field. Wait for 1 to 3 business days for WhatsApp's response. Now, to simplify, if you don't have access to the feature, you just really need to wait until it's already rolled out to you. I hope that answers the question. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you on the next one.